Okay guys, back again with this video guys. I didn't install nothing as yet. I said I want to show you guys what I'm going to do, because before I start installing the output MOSFET and the power supply MOSFET, I'll let's show you this. There was the, I know you guys won't see it, but the part number on this thing is 27524. This little IC here, it sent 5 volts to switch on the power supply MOSFETs. Yeah, so that one, it didn't read bad to me, but I still replace it, so you know, just to be safe. So now I'm gonna be using the, from this batch is from GNX. Let me put it on the bag. They really do have good MOSFETs. And the company name is, I soon post that video guys for you guys. GNXIC. STOR. So you could go on AliExpress, GNXIC store. Alright, so I'm gonna use the I'm gonna use the 4115. that's for IRB 4115. So I need 4 of those from that company. And from, I think from the same company, I'm going to be using the I'm going to be using the 1404, which I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the 1404. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I need 1 more. So this is the 1404. Okay guys, and this is the type of IFB for 115 that I'm going to use. Okay, so let me put these back right here and right here. Put these back where they belong. So guys, I was saying I was gonna just install them and then get back to you guys and just, but something inside of me said, just for this video I'm gonna just, install these while you guys watch and see what I do, how I install them. So I'm gonna so this one need some more cleaning. So alright, guys, this is the output. This is the output section. As you guys can see, so I do it. So I bend the legs like, and I come way up here. Make sure when I bend the transistor, they're not touching on the circuit board. They're a little bit off, a little space between circuit board and the MOSFETs. Alright, and what I like to do guys is like when I get to this point, this one should definitely come with some more. Oh yeah. Yep. That's what I normally do is we call it tack, you know, catch it from on the top, the middle pin. Yeah. So just when I flip it over, but once I get to it, I'm just gonna solder all of them from the top. Then I do under. So that's it. Alright, so sometimes I don't even have to go back here and do anything. I have to just like remove solder, like something like this one. Yeah, I have to do that. And this I just have to put a little bit more solder on it, and you know, it should be good to go. Nothing. This one only need one leg, needs some soldering. Alright. Yep. Put a little more on this little leg right here. That should be it for the output MOSFETs right here from G and X. And then come up, I do a little slightly bend. Just make sure, guys, when you solder these, they're not touching on the circuit board. You understand? Just make sure. You can see. Make sure they're not flat on the circuit board, because that will cause a problem. Because that's a ground terminal go right down. Yeah, you don't wanna short these muscles out. Yeah. Fireworks, and you know, New Year's like far away. We don't want to have that fireworks going on right now. Oh, it's a piece of ice. Yes, guys, it's hot here in Florida. Like, yeah, it's really hot. So I have a cup with ice in the garage. Yeah. Yep. Wow. Okay, so these are the power supply MOSFET, guys. 1404 IRF 1404. I could use the IRF 3205 instead, but you know, that's if I didn't have these, I would use them for replacement, you know. But these were just the same. These work perfectly. These are the real stuff for this Brazilian amplifier, guys. You see, okay, I do this, yeah, you know. Yeah, once you're doing this for a while, you kind of like know to bend these transistor pins. Come on, this thing, wow, this thermal paste is giving me a Alright guys, that gets the middle one as I told you guys before. Yep. I just do all of them from the top for now. Seeing some already here. Oh, come on, don't. All right, that's a good bridge. Okay guys, yep, not too bad, perfectly. As we'd say in Jamaica, everything cook and curry. Yeah, everything. Yeah, looking good, looking good. All right. Okay. Uh-oh. This guy, just to be sure, this leg is giving trouble right here. Because the solder hand is like, I don't know why it keeps doing this now all of a sudden, like it getting cold. And it's really hot here, but I closed the garage door, so maybe that's why. All right. All right. Let's see here. Really? Oh man. These pins are touching right here for some strange reason. I think everything should be good now. Yes guys, you guys have to be careful when something like that happen. Yep. Yeah, just like that. Good. Yes guys, so these two right here was marine without my consent. Right here they were mine. Right, yeah, so be careful guys when I put these MOSFET in. It's really close, right, you know, on this side. Yeah, right, yeah, they were marine. So without me saying yeah, you know. Boy, I tell you. So guys, everything is in place here. Alright, let's see, and this uses the driver chip. But my video is the same, STETSOM type IRS 2957 IRS 2957, the MOSFET driver IC. Check these diodes across the what's. Wow. Let's see if I get any shot. That's okay. Good. That's good. Alright guys, so let's see if this thing pours up and we see what's from there, you know. Let's add some pour to it and see what goes on. Okay. A little jumper right here now. Jumper for the remote. So let's see. Look at this one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was in protection mode, even though they said they didn't know what happened to it. The guy who bring it to me wasn't the one who broke it, so he says yes, bring it in for repair for somebody else. So because I'm the guy who repairs stuff for his business. Yeah, you own a little shop that you do installation and stuff. So when you get amplifiers, yeah, you bring them to me. So it's your customer, bring this in to him to give to me to repair. So we'll see how it goes, you know. So I'll do, like I said, go ahead and repair it. You don't, you have an idea already of how much I'm gonna charge him for repair like this, because this is not the first time I repair like this type of amplifier for him. But you know, that's how it goes. Alright guys, so let's see how everything goes now. I'm gonna pull up the circuit board and see if all is well. As you can see from the back here, everything is good. Is good. And the front view of everything is like this and this. Okay, so let's see guys if we get a blue light or what's okay. First let me just go over these output MOSFET just to be sure. Good. Perfect. Okay guys, let's see if I got the wiring okay really good. Alright guys, let's pour it up and see what happens. You know, you never know. It's gonna see blue light, red light, whatever light. Okay, something chipped the power supply guys. I don't know what, but something chipped the power supply. Whew, this is hot, Jesus Christ. So something is shorting out here guys. Alright, let's see if I can get to the bottom of it. So okay. Alright guys, so yeah, these are getting really hot on these MOSFET here. Alright guys, so guys, what I'm going to do is to alright guys, oh yeah, part 2 of this video is coming up. Even though I was planning on making part 1 and 2, but guys, let's just see. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm trying to figure out what's causing this because I don't want to make this video too long. I'll let you guys know what the problem, what was the issue with it for these MOSFET to be overheating. Okay guys, CNC electronics back. As you guys can see, everything is in the chassis now. I didn't start playing it as yet, but guys, I'm gonna show you. Boy, I tell you, gate resistor, gate resistor, gate resistor. All I can say is gate resistors, gate resistors. Alright, look at these, man. These are gate resistors, 6 gate resistors. So on the gate resistors here, you have like 100. The value is 100. That means 10 ohms. If it was a 1000 ohms, it would read 1001. If it was a 1000 ohms, but in this case, it was 100 ohms. I mean 10 ohms. So 100 ohms means 10 ohms on these SMDs. Whichever SMD you see, no matter what, you know. Once you see 100, that's 10 ohms. And if you see 1000 point, no, 1001, yeah, that would be a 100 ohms. Yeah, I hope I'm not mixing up. Yeah, yes guys, so yeah, That's it. So guys, whew, so I figure I don't know why I hope this speaker, but I hope and pray, cause this is man, I tell you, we'll see how it goes. And I think this is you know, honestly I think this is it, because there's nothing else in the amplifier that should stop it from playing. You know, there's nothing else. So this year is gonna stay for now until I pour it up and see what goes on, and we see how everything goes, guys. Because I say I just replaced those and then I put it in the chassis, and I said that had, you know, that has to be it. If not, I'm gonna have to make a part 3 of this video, but I hope not, because I'm telling you, yeah, I've been stressing in this a lot. I have a lot of amplifier I'm back up on amplifiers right now to repair a lot. So my weekend off, honestly, I have to call out tonight, because tomorrow was my off day, which I'm still going to have, but I have to call out tonight because I have a lot of stuff to do around the yard. Not this only, but a lot of important stuff around the yard. But this, I get this in the same time with the guy, you know. This is, no, it's night. It's like, you see, 10 minutes after 8, and I'm doing this amplifier repair. So guys, yeah, I'm really tired. I work the night shift. I don't sleep from morning. I come home, cut the yard. That's the first thing I start doing. Don't even drink tea and stuff like that. I start cutting the yard, and then I cut the yard, shower, and then I come right in the garage, and then I start doing my, a guy called me up and he said, hey, you have someone for the drop off, you want me to repair. I said, okay, come in, and you know it goes. If you're the repair guys, any time of night, sometimes they call me in the middle of the night, sometimes they even leave it at the at my garage door, and say, hey, I drop it off at the garage door, I know you were asleep. Yeah, that's how they do it here. But I don't have a problem, I have some really good customers. I can trust them. So that's how it goes, guys. So let's see how this goes now. I'm gonna pour it up and see for the first time, but I'm pretty sure it was only the gate resistors, guys. Please check those gate resistors before you put in MOSFETs, the power supply MOSFETs. Yeah, I couldn't believe it, man. I was like, yeah, normally I would check them, but I don't know why. Yeah, I jump past that. I guess because I have a lot of stuff doing and stuff like that. But guys, here goes. Oh wow, pours on. All right, fan is working. All right, let me see if I get any audio from this thing. Alright, we get audio. Whoa. That's loud. That's a little bit too loud. I guess I can remove this same bag for now, unveil it. Wow, this amplifier, jeez, man, this slap. Wow. Nope. Man, guys, this thing is a 10.